3, 2, 1. To make a vending machine, we're going to need some poster board, 2 sheets of poster board, a cutting board, just like that, a hot glue gun right here, some tape, and the final one, a razor knife. So let's get to it. Give me all your money. First, you want to grab your cutting board, just like that. And then grab your poster board, just like that. And next up, you're going to want to grab your razor knife. And just cut some parts out of here that I'm going to show you later. Once you're done with your cutting, you should have these. So you should have a board with 4 pegs in it. 4 little squares. 4 of these things and 4 of these things. 5 of these little novelty hanger things. A giant board with stuff already cut out. 1 with the big one and 5 things in it. I'm a giant 5-eyed monster. Anyway, you should have 3 of these medium-sized boards, and you should have this board for the top. Alright, now next up we gotta grab our hot glue and glue all this in. So, I'll cut the camera and show you guys. This is what it's turning out to be like. Turns out it looks like a bench. So next up we gotta put these things into the little things right here. And we'll see what happens. Tape the pegs onto this thing. Then next up you want to go behind the machine, right? And then grab your tape and tape these parts. You don't have to tape this part, but you have to tape these. So I'm going to tape them in. Alright guys, after 1 hour of cutting and hot gluing and taping, we have this. So you don't press a button like I wanted it to. It turns out you pull it and then candy falls out. Like I'll show you at the top that we got really quick. So I'm gonna show you right there. You pull it out and then it comes back in just like that. So now I gotta grab these little things right here and glue them onto the little peg, and I'll cut the camera and I'll get back to you guys when it's Alright guys, it is now finally done after 1 hour. Now we're gonna fill 3 out of 4 pegs with candy because we don't really have that much candy in our house. So what we have is that we don't have that many sweets. We do have some nerds, and we have the convertary hearts, whatever you call it. So we're gonna fill these up. 1 second. Put it like that. First up, we're gonna do the sweet tarts. It's gonna be in the 3rd one. Doesn't really fall out, so we have to do the sorry. Alright, so now we can pour that in. Okay. So now we're going to fill the combo. I don't think these are going to fit mostly. we're gonna try to put them in the first one. I don't think that the commentary hearts are gonna work because they're like really big to fit through a tiny hole this thing. And the nerds are gonna be the second one. Oh jeez! Oh my gosh. Nerds just splattered everywhere. Yeah, there's the nerd. Alright, we're gonna pull them out. Alright. So now it is finally the moment of truth. Will this dispenser dispense candy? So now what we gotta do is pull this and it'll come out. 3, 2, 1. I need 2 hands for this. It's hard to pull out. 3, 2, 1. Oh! It works! Only one came out though. Whatever. It still works though, fam. But hey, this is cool, man. Let's try nerds. Oh. It still popped out. These are good. Yeah, the commentary hurt. I know that these won't fall out because they're actually really big. So, yeah, I know. So the do not fill conversation hearts in your candy dispenser because they're actually big. But alright guys, that's the end of this video. Make sure you like this because it actually worked. And make sure you subscribe for that intro in the beginning. That was awesome. And like this video in the intro that I'm going to pull up right now. Alright, see ya.